Asunto-osakeyhtiö Pähkinäkeskus.
It's the 3rd of May 2023. It's the Pähkinätie.
Yes.
I'll say like a 6SF. I love the vibrations here.
I don't like them. It's in bad condition, not like original vibrations.
Should be original.
Yeah.
It's well in 1976. I think it's a white papers he used.
Yeah, probably. Or not.
Is he still here?
The inspected Pähkinä maintained by Schlieren. They are not going to use it now, but I think they are going to use it.
They're taking stuff away.
Yeah.
As you remember, it's VS4404, turned 45 years old in 2021. Gonna be expected this year, 2023. There are 5 staircases here, but we haven't found the code to the others yet, but we'll try to find it. Yeah, so it's here in Pähkinärinne, Asabacken. Vantaa, Helsinki, Sweden, Finland. On the way down it doesn't vibrate so much.
Yeah.
It's only on the way up mostly.
Yeah.
But I love the smell in here.
Same.
They're coming.
No.
Very much what you want.
That's